This tutorial will help you control individual LEDs in the microbit display, allowing you to create graphs. Here you can see a control system working in run mode. It shows the LEDs lighting up one at a time, following the numbers shown by the variables labelled X and Y. Altogether, the LEDs can be treated like a simple graph, with a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. In this case, the value of x comes from a timer, which increases in seconds up to 5, and the value of y is controlled by a counter, which increases when you press button A and decreases when you press button B. So button A increases Y and moves up the lit LED. Button B decreases Y and moves it down. The program script for each module describes what is happening to X and Y. Count up module, count down module, timer module. When you select Design Mode, you can see how the X and Y settings are chosen. Timer for X and counter for Y. Several types of graph are possible. At the moment, the graph is a single point whose position depends upon X and Y. If we choose a one-bar graph, it can show the value of just one variable. Here it is, set to show time. You can see how it works in run mode. Back in design mode, you can show two variables with a bar for each. Bar 1 shows the timer value, and bar 2 shows the counter value. Here they are working in run mode. Timer is on the left, counter on the right. Now let's show the value of a sensor as a bar graph. We go back to Design Mode, show the editing tabs, select one bar and choose Tilt Angle. The bar will show a maximum when the angle gets to 90 degrees. As before, we can see it working in run mode. We can also see this in the scene view. Now on the microbit in control mode. Finally, for a challenge, you can adjust the settings to use 3 bars to show 3 variables. Design mode, show the editing tabs, select 3 bars, and set the variables.